everyone, Assalamualaikum. I'm back again with another video, and today we have an unboxing video. Except it's not like those package unboxing videos. No. We have a Lego unboxing video right here. This big package, as big as my head. Actually bigger than my head. But it's not that big inside. I already opened it without you guys. Sorry. But I just wanted to show you guys this Lego that I got as a gift. It says 18 plus, but we're not following the rules anyway, so does it really matter? And here's what comes inside. It has the instruction manual because you know you're not building this on your own without that. And then here's a piece. It doesn't look like the picture at all so far. It kind of looks like a weird contraption that I've built. But apparently this is part of this Lego set, so hopefully it works out. We'll just pray to trust the process. And then it comes with the different bags. There's a bunch of them. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. A bunch of bags, a bunch of Legos. Because it's a lot of pieces. 584 pieces. Now that I say it, it doesn't sound like a lot, but it is a lot of pieces. I mean, it's probably 18 plus so kids don't choke on it. But I'm not gonna go and eat Legos, but if you're gonna do that, you do you, but don't blame me on that. But I just wanted to show you guys this Lego set that I got. And I haven't built like a Lego set in a long time. So this is giving like some nostalgia that I'm getting. And anyway, this is a very cool set. Obviously, you have to trust the process on this. Because as I showed you that piece that I built, it doesn't really look like the picture. But we'll get there, hopefully. Yeah, but just trust the process, guys. Trust. Anyway, if you want to build a Lego set, it's not too late to do so because this says 18 plus, but we're breaking the rules here. So you're never too old for Legos, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you, this Star Wars Lego set of the Mandalorian. And this, I don't even know what this video was. It's just a chaotic video, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to check out my website, ayaana.com, and you can check out my Amazon storefront where you can find all 10 of my books. And I'll see you guys later. Hopefully this Lego set turns out like this and not like a big block of Legos. Because otherwise, then I don't think, there's no way Lego would scam you. There's no way. So, I think that's just like the inside of the helmet. But, we'll see. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. You can stare into his soul right there. Bye.